We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the PURE CHAMP 3PK Boys Sweatpants. These fleece athletic joggers designed for boys aged 4 to 20 have become a popular choice for parents looking for comfortable, durable, and stylish activewear for their children. Our analysis is based on thousands of customer reviews, expert insights, and detailed observations to help you understand the product's strengths and weaknesses before making a purchase. Starting with the overall quality, the PURE CHAMP sweatpants are widely praised for their thick, soft fleece fabric that provides warmth and comfort, especially during colder months. Many reviewers mention that the material feels substantial and cozy right out of the package, making them ideal for athletic activities and casual wear alike. The fabric composition, typically a blend of cotton and polyester, balances softness with durability, which is essential for kids' active lifestyles. Parents have noted that the sweatpants maintain their softness after multiple washes if cared for properly, although some have reported slight pilling after extended use or machine drying. To mitigate this, it is recommended to wash the pants inside out and avoid tumble drying to preserve the fabric's integrity. Fit is another area where the PURE CHAMP joggers receive high marks. They are reported to be true to size, with an adjustable waistband featuring a drawstring that allows for a customizable and secure fit. This feature is especially appreciated by parents of growing children, as it accommodates changes in waist size without sacrificing comfort. The pants are designed with a modern athletic cut that suits boys with different body types, including those with slim legs. Several reviewers have highlighted that these joggers fit well on taller or slimmer kids, which can be a challenge with many other brands. Functionality is enhanced by the inclusion of zipper pockets, a feature that sets these sweatpants apart from many competitors. The zipper pockets provide secure storage for small items like keys, snacks, or toys, which is a practical benefit for active kids. The zippers are generally reported to be well made and smooth, adding to the overall durability and usability of the pants. However, a few users have encountered minor issues such as holes developing in the pockets or occasional loose stitching, which suggests some variability in quality control. In terms of style, the PURE CHAMP sweatpants offer a sporty and modern look that appeals to both children and parents. The colors are true to the images shown online, and the design is versatile enough to pair with various tops and shoes. This makes them suitable for school, sports practice, or casual outings. The pants have a pull-on closure, making them easy for kids to wear independently. Value for money is a significant advantage of purchasing the PURE CHAMP 3-pack. Getting 3 pairs of sweatpants in one set offers excellent cost efficiency compared to buying individual pairs. Customers consistently mention that the price point is very reasonable given the quality and features of the product. This makes these sweatpants a popular choice for families looking to stock up on comfortable, durable clothing for their kids without breaking the bank. Despite the many positives, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Some customers have experienced pilling on the fabric after washing, which can affect the appearance and feel of the pants over time. This seems to be more common when the pants are machine dried or washed without turning them inside out. Additionally, while most users find the sizing accurate, a small number of buyers have reported that the pants run slightly large or small, depending on the child's build. It is advisable to check sizing charts carefully and consider the adjustable waistband feature when selecting the right size. Another minor issue reported by a few reviewers is the limited color options available. While the existing colors are well liked, having a broader range of choices would be beneficial for those wanting to purchase multiple sets in different shades. Overall, the PURE CHAMP 3PK Boys Sweatpants stand out as a high-quality, comfortable, and practical option for boys' athletic and casual wear. The combination of thick fleece fabric, adjustable fit, and functional zipper pockets makes them a versatile addition to any child's wardrobe. They are particularly well-suited for colder weather due to their warmth and softness. The excellent value provided by the 3-pack further enhances their appeal. If you own these sweatpants, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help other parents make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable in providing real-world insights and supporting this community. Remember, the product link is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. In conclusion, based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis, the PURE CHAMP Boys Sweatpants deliver on comfort, quality, and functionality. They are a smart purchase for parents seeking durable, stylish, and affordable activewear for their children. While minor issues like pilling and occasional sizing discrepancies exist, these do not overshadow the overall positive experience reported by the vast majority of users. For those looking for reliable boys joggers that combine style and practicality, these sweatpants are a strong contender.